Hi, my name is J.J. Williams and I'm with Industrial Solutions and Innovation. Today we're going to be taking a look at the RMT S-Fab bandsaw series. This machine ranges from 13-inch tall by 18 inches wide. It can do up to a 45-degree miter on one side and up to a 60-degree miter on the opposite end. The slide on the clamp is adjustable, so you can clamp on either side of the blade. So now we'll take a look over here on the controller. So here on the controller we can start and stop the machine. We can control hydraulically the clamp in and out. We can control on or off with the coolant system. We can also raise the bandsaw up and down. Over here we can control the feed rate for feet per minute on the blade. And over here we can control the feed on the actual saw while it's cutting. And then we can also change the angle and have a digital readout on where we're getting those angles so we can get a nice accurate cut every time. So today we're going to be cutting some carbon steel 8-inch Schedule 40 pipe. So what we're going to do is we're going to hydraulically clamp our part. And now we're ready to cut. So one of the nice features about the RMT bandsaw is this arm right here. This detects where the top of the material is. So after I'm done cutting, I don't have to raise the bandsaw up all the way. It stops opening at a safe distance so I can easily and quickly move my part in so I can cut some more without having to move all the way back down by itself. So you can see here, we got a nice clean square cut. And now all we have to do is go loosen up our hydraulic clamp and push it forward to get another cut. So now we're going to cut a part at a 45-degree angle. So what we're going to do is we're going to loosen up our angle lock to the bar right here. And now we're able to freely move the bandsaw to its 45-degree angle. On here we do have a digital readout so we can make sure we're getting a nice precise angle. Okay. is that easy to get a nice clean 45-degree cut with the S-Fab series from Revolution Machine Tools. If you have any more questions or would like to contact us, please visit our website at isi-llc.com. Thanks for watching.